Hi, Peter Kelleher, Director of Sydney's Buyers Agents PK Property. Today I just wanted to talk to you quickly about being prepared before you buy a property. Now sure, you've got to get your finance intact, all that sort of thing, and if you're selling a property and look, I'm not going to go into too much of that today. What I'm more concerned of is that when you see a property that you like, sure, you have to have your finance ready and available to go, but you need to have someone to look over that contract. Sometimes I suggest a conveyancer more than an actual solicitor, because solicitors charge probably double sometimes, but also they're very hard to get a hold of if they're in court and that sort of thing, where conveyancers just specialise in conveyancing. Now, you're probably looking at around about $2,500 for a full contract done on a house, and then it goes up from there depending upon if you're getting a much more expensive house. But it's really important that you have that contract looked over straight away, and you ask for a contract if you're going to put an offer in on a property. Because if you don't ask the agent for the contract, the agent can very well just sell the property, because he will only contact the contract holders to tell them that he's had an offer put in. If you haven't got a contract, well, for one, you're not ahead of everyone else, and two, he or she probably won't call you to tell you there's an offer put in. Once you've got that contract looked over, you need to look into what settlement terms you want, what deposit you need to put down, if there's an easement through the back, if you want to put a swimming pool in, if there's an easement there, you want to make sure that you can move that easement to put the pool in. And there's so much more in regards to covenants and all things wrong and right with the contract. And then we can talk about strata reports for units, the list goes on, but be thorough in regards to getting all of that checked out before you sign a contract and put a check down. Thanks for listening today. I'm Peter from PK Property. Thank you.